Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to wrap text around shapes in Photoshop. Open an image you'd like to wrap text around. It can be a shape or a photo. Open the Layer panel, select the image layer, then go to the Select menu and Subject. Go to the Select menu again, Modify, and Expand. The amount you add here will determine how close or far away the selection line is from the edge of the subject. I don't need any inside selection, I use the lasso tool to fill it. Hold the Shift button and create a rough shape around it. Select Menu, and inverse of press Ctrl plus Shift plus I. Then go to the Rectangle Marquee tool, make sure the Intersected with Selection icon is selected. Then draw a shape for the text. Right-click on it and choose Make Work Path. Set the tolerance to 1 and hit OK. Then go to the Type tool and click. It will automatically add the lorem ipsum dummy text. You can type or paste your own text here. Use the Direct Selection tool, and you can adjust its size using the anchor points. Open the Character panel, and you can play with the text settings. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.